everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to adjust font size on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who feel that your font size looks so small or look way too bigger, don't need to be worried guys, because you can adjust your font size on Poco M7 Pro easily. And how to do that is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial guys. Okay, the first thing first that I have to do is, of course, now you can go to the settings menu on your phone like this guys. Alright, and then after that, now you can scroll down a little bit and go to display and brightness. And then after that, now you can scroll down again and go to font settings, and here you can adjust the font size, and the result will be like this. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to adjust font size on Poco M7 Pro. And then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.